are going to learn Standard 7, subject English, State Board of Maharashtra, poem In the Time of Silver Rain. This poem was written by Langston Hughes. Here's some information about the Langston Hughes. Langston Hughes was an American writer and activist. He won many awards. He started a new style of writing, poetry. We see rhythm and spontaneous expression in his writing. This poem, In the Time of Silver Rain, describes how the rain brings joy and happiness in life. Now, let us see the poem. In the time of silver rain, the earth put forth new life again. Here, what happens when rain falls or rain comes, arise? Here, the earth put forth new life again. Earth means what here? Prithvi. Put forth means develop or grows. Earth get new life. How the earth get new life? Here, green grasses grow and flowers lift their heads. Flowers lift their heads means what? Flowers began to bloom and over all the plains. Here they began to bloom over all the plains. Plain means what here? Maidan. The wonder spread. Of the wonder, surprising things spread all over the plains. Of life, of life, of life. Here, by repeating the words of life thrice, Hughes says that we feel a sense of awe and wonder at the existence of life itself. Since the grasses and flowers are living things, even though they may appear to be static. Static means what here? Kshanik. Now let us see what happens in case of the butterflies when rain falls. So here the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow's cry. When rain falls, the butterfly try to catch by lifting wings the rainbow, and the trees put forth new leaves to sing. Put forth new leaves to sing means what here? Trees have new leaves. In the joy beneath the sky, as down the roadway, passing boys and girls go singing too. Means the boys and girls who are going roadside, they become happy because of the rain and they start singing song. Again, what happens here? In the time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. Means in the spring season, there is a earth get new life. And through this poem, the poet sends out a message of hope and flexibility. What want to view here? See here. As the season changes in a cycle throughout the year, so the life situations, every long and fallow winter is followed by a bountiful spring, and every sorrowful experience is followed by joy. At that we need is a patience and faith. Means through this poem, the real truth of life, the poet want to tell us that though we have sad life, sorrowful life, then we need to be waiting and keep faith on our future. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.